now move to question number 2. We have done question number 1, and question number 2 is also under algebra, and here you will see questions from exponents and sets. Okay, and here mainly most of the questions are exponential form, and you have to simplify. Sometimes you have to factorize, you have to you have to find the value of x. That kind of questions are there. Okay, so move to question number 2.1.1. So here what you have to do, you're opening a bracket. So outside the bracket there is a power 2, and inside we can see that it's a monomial. You can see a fraction bracket, those we consider it as a monomial. Monomial means single term. Okay, if a single term is there inside the bracket, when you open it, what is going to happen? What you need to do, the power outside, that is 2, has to multiply powers of the numbers inside. Remember, only monomials are there inside the bracket. If binomial is there, you can't do it. Example like this one, x plus 5 all square. When you open the bracket, this 2 is not going to multiply power of x and power of y, because this is binomial. Binomial means you have to use that particular method, either FOIL method or a straight opening bracket like that. Okay, that's how we have to do it. So that you need to remember. So let me rub this. Okay, now this question very easily we can do it. It is only 1 mark. Open the bracket. It's going to be, we can see the power of a is 3 and power of 2 is 1. Both those powers will be multiplied by the power outside the bracket. So it's going to be a to the power 3 times 2 divided by 2 to the power 1 times 2. So the answer is a to the power 6 divided by 2 square, isn't it? So a to the power 6 divided by 4 is the answer. Alright, now we move to question number 2.1.2. Here also you have to simplify. Learners, you can see that the numerator is a binomial. You can see first term is 2 to the power x minus 3, and this is the second term, 3 times 2 to the power x minus 1. If such a situation, what you have to do, you have to factorize. You have to take the common out. So what is common there? At this stage, it's difficult to find, but you can see that for getting the exact common, you have to split the power. So it is 2 to the power x common. Okay, so let me split that one. 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus 3, isn't it? That 2 to the power x minus 3, you can split like this. Then minus, then what? Minus 3 times 2 to the power x. Again that exponential form, you have to split the power 2 to the power minus 1. So that x minus 1, this is how you have to split. Each term of the power, that is x and minus 1, you have to write it with the base 2 in between multiplication sign. Okay, so remember, that is very important. Then denominator also, there is a power that we can split it, 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus 2. Did you see that one? Okay, now numerator, what is common? 2 to the power x is common. You can see here, and this term also 2 to the, so take it out. So it's going to be 2 to the power x, and inside the bracket, what you see, what you get. Go back to the previous step. Look at the numerator. Wherever you see 2 to the power x, you have to think about 1. 1 times 2 to the power minus 3, that is 2 to the power minus 3, minus 3 times 1 times 2 to the power minus 1. That one you don't need to write it. So this is how you got it, divided by 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus 2. Now we can cancel it. Remember, after factorizing, you can cancel. Clear? Okay. Now the rest you can simplify it. First one is 1 over 8 minus 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 4. Okay, now when you simplify, you will get the answer minus 11 over 2. When you simplify this one, you will get the answer minus 11 over 2. So this is how we do this question. Is it clear? Now we can move to question number 2.2. What is that? Find the value of 10 to the power x plus 3. if 10 to the power x is 1 comma 5. So you have to find the numerical value of 10 to the power x plus 3. Okay, so how do we get it? Because of the x you can't get straight away, but it is given that 10 to the power x is equal to 1 comma 5. So you have to see 10 to the power x as it is. And what is given here? 10 to the power x plus 3. So how do you extract 10 to the power x from 10 to the power x plus 3? You can split it, isn't it? So this is same as the rule of exponent, the one that we did it for the previous question. 10 to the power x times 10 to the power 3. It's not 2, 10 to the power 3. See? Yeah. Now we can see 10 to the power x as it is. You can replace that with what? 1 comma 5 times 10 to the power 3 is 1000. Now just multiply 1 comma 5 times 1000 is 1500 is the answer. See, we got the numerical value of that. Is it clear? Now coming to solve for x, where exponential forms are involved. Solve for x. What is the first question? 2 to the power x is equal to 0 comma 125. Guys, in exponential form, solve for x, in grade 11 we are using comparison method. Both sides you must have the same base. Here the base is 2, isn't it? So the right hand side number also think, is it possible to make an exponential form with the base 2? Yes, it's possible. I will show you. 2 to the power x is equal to, this one is same as 1 over 8. 1 over 8 is 0 comma 125. Or we can change it. 0 comma 125 is same as 125 over 1000, which is same as 1 over 8. Okay, so now comparison method we can apply. That 8 we can change it. 2 to the power x is equal to 1 over 8 is a special number. We can write it as the base 2 in terms of an exponential with the base 2. 2 to the power what is 3, isn't it? Yes, because 2 square is 4 and 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. It's going to go like that. But now it is not ready to compare. When you use comparison method, make sure that the bases must be in the numerator. So this 2 to the power 3 must go up. So that necessary change you have to make it. What is that mathematical rule you have to apply? 2 to the power 3 goes up 2 to the power minus 3. This is ready to compare. So x is equal to what, guys? Bases are same, so powers also same. Don't cancel 2, that is wrong, okay? Bases are same, so assuming that powers are same. X is equal to minus 3, and that is our answer, because we are looking for x and we got it. Is it clear? Okay, now we can go to next question, 2.3.2. What is that? 0 comma 5 to the power x times square root of 1 plus 9 over 16 is equal to 10. Alright guys, how do we do this question? Here also solve for x, isn't it? Let me change that 0 comma 5 is same as half to the power x, isn't it? Because 0 comma 5 is what? Half, isn't it? Okay. Then let me simplify the one that is inside. The root 1 plus 9 over 16 is same as 25 over 16 is equal to 10. That is half to the power x is times the square root things. When you simplify it, is going to be what? 5. Square root of 25 is 5 over square root of 16 is 4. We can split the square root to numerator and denominator. Okay? Yeah. Which is equal to 10. Therefore, half to the power x is equal to, send 5 over 4 other side, that is 10 divided by 5 over 4. That is half to the power x is equal to 10 times 4 over 5. That is half to the power x is equal to, just the matter of simplification is going to be what? Is 8. Isn't it? Yes. See, again, like a previous question, here also comparison method. Make sure that same base. This 8 we know that 2 to the power 3. But this side half, can you write it 2 to the power something else? 2 to the power minus 1 is half to the power x. So it's going to be 2 to the power, when you open the bracket, it's going to, powers are multiplied. Minus x is equal to 2 to the power 3, right? Now we can find the value of x. What is that? Minus, since the bases are same, powers are same like the previous question, minus x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3. So we got it. So this is how we do it. All these questions are not that much, a problematic one. So please guys, if you know the basic of exponents and sets, you can do this question, the rules, okay, that we did it already in the class. Please go through. Sometimes you will get question like this, sometimes some kind of hard questions also you can expect, but if you know these basic things, you can do this question. Thank you.